Enhancement opportunities through Seesaw come in the form of that students have the chance to express their understanding in a way that would not be available without the technology tool. And Seesaw also allows for better multimedia integration and digital customization, other than using traditional methods such as worksheets, posters, or traditional assessments, paper pencil type of thing. We're really kind of going into that 21st century learner and taking advantage of the tools that we have available to us to make that happen in the most meaningful way possible. So learners are given the opportunity to pridefully showcase their reasoning through video, audio, picture explanations, and to take it further, they have the chance to not only share this with the teacher, but with their peers and other classmates and other students, right? They can share their newfound discoveries with other students digitally. So students can build, they can use this and they can build on each other's ideas to help develop their own constructs for learning, which pushes them toward developing more deeper, meaningful learning. So to enhance learning that is already taking place in the classroom or the virtual classroom, what teachers can do is modify activity templates or create lessons from scratch, or take what's already there and modify them to include audio directions, multiple links, embedded materials, all within a single assignment or lesson or activity. And the newest feature also gives students an opportunity to practice skills before showcasing their learning, which I think also helps with their motivation and self-esteem a bit too, with the showcasing their work on the class journal. And through this, teachers may also assign different activities to different students in the class depending on instructional level. So yes, I would recommend Seesaw as a great web tool to use in the classroom.